Very good morning to one and all. In this lecture, EC8691 microprocessor and microcontroller, Unit 3, parallel communication interfacing. Now, this is a parallel communication interfacing block diagram. In this block diagram, we are using the integrated circuit Intel 8255A programmable peripheral interface device. It is a good name of parallel interfacing method. Now we see the features of 8255A. This is one of the features. Number one, the 8255A is mainly designed for parallel data transfer communication. And it is a widely used for general purpose programmable input and output device, and it consists of 3 8-bit bidirectional input and output port, that is a 24 input and output lines. And then the 8-bit of port C can be used as an individual bit or grouped into 2 4-bit port, that is the port C upper and port C lower. And then the 8255A preliminary can be programmed into two basic methods. Number one, bits set and reset method. Number two, input and output mode. That is a BSR mode and in-out mode. The BSR mode is used to set or reset in the bit in port C. That is a port C meaning of port C upper and port C lower. And then another point, the input and output mode is further divided into three mode. That is a mode 0, mode 1, mode 2. The mode 0 is a simple input and output mode, and mode 1 is a input and output handshaking mode, and mode 2 is a bidirectional mode. And then it is compatible with all Intel and most other microprocessor system. And it is completely TTL compatible logic. Now we see the internal block diagram of 8255A. This is a parallel communication interfacing method. So first of all, I have to explain the signal description of 8255A. In signal description of this 8255A, in peripheral interfacing address line 7 to address line 0, these are the 8 port A lines that act as either latched output or buffered input lines depending upon the control word loaded into the control word register. In this description of signals in reset and read and write operations, first of all I explain the reset pin mode. In reset, a logic high on these lines cleared the control word register of 8255A, all port set as a input port by default after the reset. And the read operations, the input lines driven by the microprocessor and should be low to indicate the read operation to the 8255. And then the write operations, the input lines driven by the microprocessor, a low on these lines indicate the write operations. Now the functional descriptions, what are the major block of 8255A? It has a 40 pin of 4 group. So what are the 4 group? The major block of 4 group. Number 1, data bus buffer. Number 2, read and write control logic. Number 3, group A, group B controls. Number 4, port A, port B, port C. Now we see the one by one. First of all, the data bus buffer. This is a tri-stage bidirectional buffer used to interface the 8255 to system data bus. The data is transmitted or received by the buffer on execution of input or output instruction by the CPU. The control word and status information are also transferred through this buffer. The read and write control logic, the function of this block is to control the internal operation of the device and to control the transfer of data and control or status word. This unit accepts the control signals, that is a read and write control signals, and also the input from the address bus and issue the command to the individual group of control block. Now the group A and group B control signal, these block receive the control from the CPU and issue the command to the respective port. And then we see the mode of operations. There are two basic mode of operations in 8255A. Already I will explain the mode of operations, the BSR mode and input and output mode. The input and output mode of 8255A port work as a programmable input output port, while in BSR mode only the port C can be used to set or reset the individual port bit. Under this input and output mode of operations, further there are three mode of operations of 8255 so as to support different types of applications for mode 0, mode 1 and mode 2. In BSR mode, it is a 8-bit of port C can be set or reset depending on the data of the control word. This bit to be set or reset in selected by the select flag, that is a D3, D2, D1 of the processor. Now the mode 0, in this mode is also called as a basic input and output mode. This mode provides a simple input and output capabilities using each of three ports. The data can be similarly read from and written to the input and output port respectively after appropriate initialization. The feature of mode 0, the silent features of this mode, the two 8-bit port and any port can be used as a input and output port. The port are there latches and input port are not latched. And then the maximum of 4 ports are available, so that overall the 16 input output configurations are possible. Now the all input and output pins of 8255A has a 2.5 milliamps DC driving capacity. Therefore, the source current of 2.5 milliamps. Now we see the serial communication interfacing 82551 USART. Thank you for watching this video.